Hey y'all, this is Brian at CMM Off-Road. We're out here at Jeep Beach 2025. We've got a few new things that we've done here over the last year. Our JK here is sitting here, of course. We have our mirrors that are easy bolt in. The handles bolt into the JK. Mirrors go to them, super easy install, no modification to the Jeep whatsoever. And our newest thing that we've just done is our shifters. So we found the need for a reason to have a way to be able to go from drive all the way into reverse without having to have a conscious moment of it. Which you saw probably if you watch Moab videos this year, you saw a lot of backwards rollovers coming out of hot tubs, climbing high dive, doing some other things. It's very difficult to consciously do that in a panic situation to get it into reverse. So we've made that for both the JL and the JK. The JK is a mechanical stop that uses the gate itself as a stop. The JL and JT is an internal piece, and we'll take a look at that one here in a few. Of course, we've got our grab bar that'll go into these as well. Majority of these we do are custom. This one's been named a long time ago. It's a CNC party bus, but we've got that. On our JL over here, our JT, same thing. We've got our mirrors that mount in the A-pillar in the factory. No modification to the vehicle again. It's a direct bolt in. On these, you pop the cover off, and our mount will bolt directly into the space that the handle mounts itself. These can be used in the upper position, or they can be used in the lower position for a little bit more familiar mirror position. As time goes on, people ask for them to stick out farther and farther. Of course, if you get into a rock face or a tree, it's going to cause damage. So we've got our new breakaways as well. So it stays still, it does what it needs to do, but if you do get into a rock face, it will fold in. And the cool part about this is, and we tell people always, make sure when you do it the first time to test, we've got about a ½ inch clearance between this and the glass. Put your door on with the window down, fold it in, and make sure it does have clearance, but then you can leave them in position, rotate them up, rotate them down, but they can stay in position with the door on and the glass up. So if you wanted to leave them in position and not have to take them out. Of course, on our JT here, we've got a rear seat delete, which tends to be a custom item. We've made these at different heights for different purposes and applications. The same way with our bed rack. These all end up being one-offs for what your loadout is and what you want to do for your Overland inside to get you where you need to go and do it in style and lightweight. So come check us out at cmmoffroad.com. And of course, if you got any questions anytime, hit us up, and we make everything in-house in Tennessee and try to source everything as much as possible we can from good old USA right here. So come check us out. Thank you guys.